Hi, Clay here with American Chimney. If you have a question about that top of the chimney, the picture was given to you, kind of gives you an idea it needs to be taken care of. That's that freeze-thaw cycle that keeps these chimneys falling apart. And we do a lot of repair on these things for you. Well, let me start with this. Top of the crown is called a crown wash splay drip edge. They have multiple names in our industry, but we're talking about the very top. Now, what had happened years ago, a lot of the new construction where they finished them off with what they call mortar caps. Not the right material. It should have been put on with concrete, just like you do your sidewalk. It needs to be a harder material. Okay, let's say now that we got this replaced, what else should be done? You probably should put some water repellent materials in there. That helps with the body of it. Put some fibers inside there. That keeps it tightened together. And third and finally, what I want to do is make sure that we've got expansion joints around any and all flue tile, as it prevents the chimney crown from cracking. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call here at American Chimney, 662-4600. Talk to you later.